Hi friends, my name is Desiree and I'm the Make Your Mark Gallery Manager at the Louisiana Children's Museum. Thank you for joining us for Connections at Home.
When I'm at the museum, you can usually find me by the bubbles. I love to make giant bubbles in Make Your Mark's Bubble Studio.
Today, we're going to use ingredients most people have at home to make our own bubble solution, and we're going to create our own bubble wands.
At LCM, we know that children are imaginative and resourceful.
Today's activity will tap into that resourcefulness when kids and adults work together and repurpose everyday objects into bubble wands. This activity will also allow children to work on following instructions, using basic math, and working with fractions and measurements.
For the bubble solution, you'll need water, dish soap, and regular honey, along with measuring cups and spoons and a container to hold your bubble solution. To make your solution, pour about 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of honey into your container. Stir them together. Then heat 1/2 cup of water until warm. Pour your warm water into the container. If you'd like, you can add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring as well, though this may stain clothes. Stir vigorously until everything is blended together.
Measuring out the ingredients is a good opportunity to practice counting and fractions. For example, if you need 1/2 cup of water, how many quarter cups could you use? Or, if there are 4 tablespoons in 1/4 cup of water, how many tablespoons could you use to add up to 1/2 cup of water?
Remember, this recipe is meant to be a starting point. Depending on factors such as the brand of soap you use, you may need to adjust these measurements. If you have bubble trouble, try adding an extra drop of honey or an extra squirt of soap. Trial and error is all part of learning.
Now that we have our own bubble solution, it's time to make some bubble wands. Work with your grown-up to look around your home and find items that you could use. Your items need to be able to get wet, so you don't want to use any paper or cardboard. For one example, with a couple of sticks or pencils and a little bit of string, you can make a 2-handed bubble wand.
Lay your pencils next to each other. Tie each end of a piece of string to the 2 pencils. Cut another piece of string that's a little bit longer and tie each end of this string to the same spots on the pencils. When you hold 1 pencil in each hand, you can dip the string into your bubble solution and use it as a bubble wand.
Search your home for other items you can use or repurpose. Look for things that already have a hole in them, such as a spatula or a small funnel.
Try to find objects in nature that can be used as bubble wands. Are there sturdy magnolia leaves around that your grown-up could cut a hole in? Are there long, thin blades of grass you can tie into a loop? Get creative with what you can find outside. Once your solution is made and your wands are ready, find a spot outside and put on clothes that can get a little messy. Pour your bubble solution into a wide, shallow dish that's easy to dip your wands into.
Grown-ups and kids can take turns blowing and popping bubbles. Younger friends may need help figuring out how to blow a bubble. Use this as an opportunity to practice working together and trying out a new skill.
Try out all your homemade and repurposed bubble wands. Which one can you use to blow the most bubbles or the biggest bubbles? Is your favorite wand the same as your grown-up's favorite?
Count how many bubbles you can blow in one breath, or count how many bubbles you can pop at once. Make it a fun competition. Who can blow more bubbles in one breath? Who can pop a set amount of bubbles the most quickly?
When you're done with your bubbles, you can pour clean bubble solution into a resealable container to use again. The honey in the bubble solution could attract bugs, so make sure you rinse off any bubble wands you'd like to keep.
Today, we learned how to make our own bubble solution using what we have at home. We also explored our homes to find what we could transform into our own homemade bubble wands.
Here are some examples of bubble wands that I created today.
We would love to see examples of your visible thinking and learning.
Show off your family's bubble exploration online and tag LCM on social media. #LCM Connections.
Thanks for watching Connections at Home. I'm Desiree, and I hope you'll join us for our next episode. Until then, let's play, learn, and stay connected. Bye, friends.